007's lighted, I think. No, my name is Philippines and I'm so a girl. Like, you'll be my friends because like blah 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 blah. Yap 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 yap. Yeah, my friends was like.
My name is 007 and I created all those three annoying ones except for Voodoo and Cool Kid. Pretty Princess is not adopted, but she's annoying, not alive. I hack Roblox for no reason.
My name is Mafioso and you need to pay your debt. Everybody knows that you need to pay your debt. Tax, tax, tax. My name is Mafioso. I like cats. Everybody knows that everybody should free with cats. Yeah.